I'm being taken care of by the best.
1,000, you got to feel good about that. I mean, you just feel like you're in really good hands and you feel safe. You really do. I looked at hospitals in the area. One of the things I do is I always research everything, whether I buy a car or what. I mean, I really research. And there was no comparison to Sarasota Memorial. I thought, wow, thank God for this.
It's just a nice feeling, satisfaction. We've done our program. We've been very fortunate. We've had a low complication rate, and we've seen very good long-term outcomes now for over the past 7 years. So we've been doing this, and we're going into our 8th year.